Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can copy Facebook page link. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to open Facebook application. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on pages, and here you need to scroll and click on like pages. And once you are here, you simply need to click any page that you like. So I'm going to click on the first one, and then you need to click on the share icon on the right top. Okay, and here you can find the option of copy link. Click on that option, and then you can share that link anywhere. So I'm going to open a notepad, and I'm going to paste that link here, as you can see that. So this is a process by which you can copy Facebook page link. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.